Rawhide Energy Station started with Unit 1, that's a coal burning unit. It came online in 1984. We served the load for the 4 cities of Loveland, Longmont, Estes Park, and Fort Collins, Colorado. Over the years, we've added 5 natural gas combustion turbines, and our primary mission here is to provide reliable, environmentally responsible, and financially sustainable energy to those communities. Some operations staff approached me about some cold weather reliability issues that are kind of a known problem with electro-hydraulic gas valves. The hydraulic oil is known to be sluggish, leave varnish on some of the parts in hydraulic valves, which can lead to a little bit of reliability concerns and some failed starts on units. A coworker of mine told me about these electric actuated valves. He had seen them at a conference, and so started looking into those, and it seemed like it would solve our problems of some of the hydraulic issues we were having, as well as kind of bring us more in line with newer technology that comes with newer gas turbines. In order to justify the project to leadership, we highlighted how it aligned with our strategic objectives to include reliability, which relates to failed starts on the unit. Additionally, we highlighted some of the O&M savings as a result of less failed starts and maintenance-induced failures. What stood out was our history with Woodward, with our existing gas control valves. They have been reliable aside from the known issues with hydraulics, and them being the OEM provider for all of our units. Overall, the installation went well. The valve driver cabinet was also a factor in deciding to go with Woodward, just knowing that they had a pre-packaged solution then with pre-made cables made it nice for the installation. The valves mechanically were a bolt-in, drop-in solution that was just a matter of unbolting the old valves and bolting in the new valves.
The experience integrating the valves with the controls was very good. We were able to integrate those DVPs into our servo cards, which actually helped us a lot in saving cost by not having to purchase new hardware.
The equipment fit very precisely. It was very well built, easy to install. Overall, it was a really great experience.
As far as the product features, we've definitely noticed that they're much more responsive than the electro-hydraulic valves. We used to have to bias the old ones quite a bit to get the response we needed from them, and these new ones are instantaneous.
We received outstanding technical support from Woodward. Our on-site rep, as well as the factory representation, was really impeccable. We actually incurred a challenge with a valve that was damaged somewhere in delivery or installation, and was resolved the night that the problem was discovered on a weekend night.
I thought the documentation was awesome. It was really straightforward for our end. We knew where wires needed to go. We knew which wires needed to come off. It was awesome. It was really straightforward and helpful.
It's in our long-term capital forecast to continue upgrading all of our units with these electric gas control valves, as well as electric IGV actuators. This was our first unit, but we have 4 more that we currently have plans to do the same upgrades on.
It's looking towards preparedness for cold weather excursions, especially here in Colorado. It gives you peace of mind that you don't have one less thing to look for in problems in the future.
I would definitely recommend this Woodward electric actuator upgrade to other sites.